Hey, what's going on, everyone? I am back. Today is August the 3rd, 2022. We're going to talk about Solana today and something that on the chart has just flipped this particular market in Solana to a buy. I'm going to show you all what that is, and I'm going to show you where I suspect the market is headed so that we can be in position and actually win in the market. To those who are new, welcome. This is what I do. I create price predictions. I make sure that we are in place to where we can profit from the move, to where we can make money. So if you find that very appreciative, then I want you all to join me, and you do that by liking the video, sharing the video, also subscribing here to the channel. Recommend that you do tap that bell notification as well if you're interested in learning how to do this for yourself, because every video that I create is more opportunity for you to see how this is done. All right, so now I've done a video in Solana on the 27th of July. You guys can see that there's no price target on my chart, and there wasn't nothing there for me to see. The market was too indecisive as to what direction it wanted to go. So I said, all right, cool, I'll wait, give it a couple more days to see what the market is really up to in Solana. And you guys can still tell for the most part in front of you that this particular price chart is not doing too much. It's not. Now, that means that what we're seeing into the market in Solana, all of these trading days right here, okay, means that the market is prepping itself for a move. It's preparing itself for a bias direction. Now, whether that's to the downside or to the upside is yet to be seen, but we're building up energy. This is what all of these trading days represent, just by us noticing that the market in Solana is just trading sideways. We're building up a cause, a reason for us to move up or down. Now, I wanted to show you something else that would insinuate that the next bias direction may be up. You guys can see that over the last couple of trading days. Let's go ahead and identify this. The market in Solana has been trending higher. You guys can see that, right? Look at this. The market has been confirming this overall trend line, which started all the way back here on June 18th, 2022. The market buyers confirmed the trend on July the 13th, 2032, and then again on July the 26th. So we are seeing an upward move occur in the market in Solana. Fantastic. Fantastic. I want us to keep that in mind as we continue to conduct this price prediction. All right, so let's go ahead and look at this on the 3-day chart in Solana, because I also wanted to show you where the problem is. Yes, we are seeing that there is a slight ascension going on in Solana's price, but there's also an issue that is impacting the move higher, and you all may see this, and it's right here, around $48. The market here in Solana is impacting the buyers. For some reason, the market in Solana cannot break above $48. Look at that. On that 3-day price bar, even on this one, the market could not break above $48. So that's the problem that the buyers has to overcome as we continue to see this market trade in Solana. Because as long as we see the price in Solana trade below $48, we know that the market's not going to go up, period. We already know that. So I really want to set your expectations. Until we see the market break above 48, we're going to maintain this consolidational trading range that this market in Solana has been going through over the last couple of weeks. Okay, now let's go ahead and see what else we got on the chart in Solana. So let's go ahead and look at this on the 5-day chart. Okay, because right here, we all can see on the multiple 5-day price bars that yes, $48 is a problem. That is an issue for the buyers. Now, this last 5-day price bar represents that the buyers attempted to hold the market, meaning that over the last 5 days, which is right here, not that one, but this 5-day price bar, the market tried to hold price. It tried. But here we are today on this current 5-day price bar. We got 13 hours left, and we're still seeing the sellers overcoming the buyers. That is not a good sign. That is indicative that the price is still weak in Solana when you contribute that to this $48 level as restriction as well. You guys can see how we can build this story as to who is winning in the market. Looking at this from this time perspective, it looks as if the sellers are winning. This is Solana here on the weekly time frame. You guys can see the last 2 weeks. The buyer's been attempting. I give the buyers credit. They've attempted to move this market higher than Solana. I give them that credit. But seemingly, it doesn't look as if this market is massively bullish. It doesn't look as strong as some cryptocurrencies are today. So if anything, the best outlook that I'm looking right now in Solana is maintaining is range bound trading. I'm still looking for the market to do something like that. Okay, let me look at this on a monthly chart. You guys can see that last month was pretty decent. We found a basis, we found support right down here around $26. But the market is still not ready to break that bias direction higher. I'm not seeing it on the monthly chart. So let me look at this from an hourly perspective. And you all can see that yes, we are in a current hourly downturn. A lot of volume came in the market in Solana. Look at that. Pay attention to the volume because it gives us a lot of information. It tells us precisely who came into the market. We saw the market in Solana with that high volume close off of the lows. That means that some buyers came into the market over the last 9 hours. Fantastic. Okay, look at that on the 11-hour chart. Same thing, volume came into this space over the last 11 hours. Looking at this on the smaller hourly time frame, this is the 5-hour price bar here. Okay, you guys can see that the market on this last completed 5-hour price bar, it closed higher. So yes, buyers came into the market in Solana right there around $38. They're not trying to let the market price fall. So that tells me that that ascending line that I've created is still intact. Right here. Still there. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I am going to play the strength into the market in Solana, albeit it may not be that far. We may not see the market explode up there to $60 or $72, nothing like that. But we can still see the market run up to around $40 to $50, $45, all right? So that's where we're going to put that. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this on the chart. Let me extend this out to the beginning of September. Okay, I'm going to push this out to September and give the market about this month to trade. I'm going to give us a cushion as well. I do like $35 being maintained as support, but I'm going to bring it down just a little bit lower to like 32. And that first price target is going to be around 45. That's around 14%. Okay, 14%. We can see the market in Solana run up. My next level is going to be around 47.50, which is 20%. And as you can tell, that is the last spot that the buyers could not break price higher. I'm going to leave it there because I'm not too convinced that the market is ready to break out in Solana massively higher yet. I'm not there yet. So as we continue to see this market trade in Solana, if we maintain that ascending line that I've created to where the market in Solana is continuing to trend higher, then we know we're still sitting pretty in our biased direction of looking for the price in Solana to move up. Albeit, I'm not looking forward to move that high right now. But you may. It's your turn. I'm done. So it's your turn. Go ahead and give me your price prediction, your price target in the market in Solana. Where do you think this price is going to go as we trade throughout the month of August? Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.